name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The news. The immediate ceasefire agreement between Afghanistan and Pakistan. Over 1 million metric tons of watermelons harvested throughout the country. And Hamas hands over 2 more Israeli bodies. Welcome to our today news package. It's Sunday, the 26th of Rabiul Thani 1447, the 27th of Mizan 1404, and the 19th of October 2025. The news details. The Minister of Foreign Affairs of Qatar has announced that Afghanistan and Pakistan have reached an agreement on an immediate ceasefire and the establishment of mechanism aimed at fostering sustainable peace and stability between the two countries. Based on the statement, the negotiations were held in Doha with the mediation of Qatar and Turkey. The statement adds that both parties also agreed to hold follow-up meetings in the coming days to ensure the sustainability of ceasefire and to verify its implementation through the reliable methods. The Qatari Minister of Foreign Affairs expressed hope that this step will help end tensions between the two countries and lay a strong foundation for lasting peace in the region. The Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock has announced that more than 1,322,000 metric tons of watermelons have been harvested across the country during the current solar year. In accordance with the ministry, the highest yields were recorded in the provinces of Farah, Balkh, Herat and Badghis. The ministry added that this year, 78,808 hectares of land nationwide were cultivated with watermelon crops. The news continuation. The construction of a check dam at a cost of 2,245,000 Afghanis have been completed and officially integrated in Varas district of Bamiyan province. According to the Ministry of Water and Energy, the dam, 31 meters in the length and 7 meters in height, was built using the ministry's development budget. And the last news. The Islamic Resistance Movement Hamas has handed over the bodies of the 2 additional Israelis to the International Committee of the Red Cross. The office of the Israeli Prime Minister confirmed the report, stating that it had received the 2 bodies through the Red Cross. It's worth noting that with the return of those 2 bodies, Hamas has now handed over a total of 12 Israeli to the Israeli regime. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track us on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.